Okay, on to chapter 2. The important things you need to remember from chapter 2 are how the periodic table is organized. Okay, I'm going to write what periods and groups are over to the side here. A period is left to right. A group is up and down. Okay, groups have very common characteristics and properties. Periods don't. They just are all in a row. Okay, so you do need to know the main group, so that's going to be important. So I'm going to try to like write sideways here. Maybe it'll let me do that. Okay, group number 1, you need to know that these are the alkali metals. Okay, group number 2, this is kind of difficult here. Let's see, group number 2, alkaline earth metals. All right, this big group in the middle here, right? These are transition metals. That's an N. Other groups you need to know over here, can't quite see, are the halogens and the noble gases. Okay, those are going to be the important groups. Usually these are numbered as like group 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, and 8A. We skip the middle because they can have different charges, but remember the group number actually corresponds to how many valence electrons you have. So the ones in the same group all have the same number of charge. That's kind of most of the important things. The other thing I would label, and I'm going to do this in a different color, let's do blue, is the metals, the non-metals, and the metalloids, right? When you're trying to determine if something is ionic or covalent, you need to know which ones are metals and which ones are non-metals. So there's this nice little stair step here. Everything over here is a metal. Everything over here is a non-metal. And most of the stuff on here, let's see, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. These are all of your metalloids, right? So they can have properties of both metals and non-metals. Okay, so that's important when you're trying to determine if something is ionic or covalent. If it's all non-metals, notice also hydrogen is a non-metal. Everything else over here is metal. All right, so that's kind of what we need to know periodic table wise. Moving on.